want to leave this for my grandkids, so I want to leave it forever. Gas tank. Because I want this to last a long time, this was recommended to pour the tank so it does not rust at all. It will rust. This is made out of steel, so gas tank, rust free, hopefully, for a while. Alright, stay tuned. I'm just supposed to pour the whole thing and drain it out. That was a pain in the ass. So pour this whole thing in there and shake it all about. I think that's it. Okay, we'll do that. Alright, final. Just let that drain, they said. Just let it drain. Look in there, it's all like silverish from the fuel sealer. So this will last for generations now, the tank. So hopefully my grandkids or my son one day gets to ride this piece. So stay tuned, y'all. That took about overnight. Poured some gas in there just to make sure it's all sealed for now, but we're gonna put the cap on. We're gonna put the valve and put her back on the bike. So thanks again, y'all. 2 motors, 1 badass bike. What a beautiful day. Peace out.